Back to my channel, family. How is everyone doing? I hope that everyone is feeling well. I hope that everyone is taking care of themselves. I know things are chaotic, but patience is the key. Be patient with others at this time, and just get the things that you guys need, because we don't know. And don't forget to get gas. I just finished gassing up my car, because I know you think, where are you going? You're not going anywhere. But when we do start rolling, you're going to need gas in your vehicle. All right, so today I have, this came in, which gives me a little, is it upside down? Yeah, let me fix this for you guys. Makes me a little happy. It came just in time. I know it was supposed to come in sooner, but listen, this was perfect timing, because I need a little cheer in my life right about now. You guys know that I mentioned to you that the family was moving on. My grandson is no longer living with me. He and his parents have found their own, and they have moved on. So I am currently, if you hear that it's echoey, I am currently sitting in the room that was his. And I'm feeling kind of sad. So let's get into this box. I'm not, I apologize if I am not as high energy as I normally am, but it's a lot going on. And I'm a little bit tired as well too, because they just left a little bit ago. Okay, so let's get into this box. This is the first time that I'm opening. I haven't even opened this. I have no idea what's in this, but this is the spring box. This is their spring box. Let's open this baby up and see what is inside. Okay. Oh, I may have it upside down. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is what it looks like. Okay. I'm sorry if it's a little bright. I'm trying to fix that glare. But of course. Okay. So they have their magazine, of course. And this magazine, it contains all the, well, I don't want to look at it yet, but all the things that are in the box. And, they have their own website and stuff like that. So has good pointers. And I always like looking at this after I receive my box. But let me see if I can find the page where the items are, so I can kind of tell you the price. Okay, I found it. Okay, and it's bright enough in here that I don't think I'll need my spectacles. All right, they always send you a HelloFresh coupon. And this is something new. It says, bite. You look good, but you're about to look better. Bite me. And there's a coupon code here. I'm not quite sure what Bite Me is, but I'm sure it has something to do with teeth. Oh, I think it's the aligner treatment or impressions kit. Yeah. So there's the code for that. Okay. And, oh, look how cute. Because it's spring, the little butterfly on the paper. Oh, cute little pink butterfly. That is so cute. Okay. Ooh, this looks nice. All right, let me see what is this. So I picked this up first, and this is 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collections. So I'm sure that there are some facial masks here. Let's open this up, and then I'll tell you guys the price. I'm going to need my scissors for this. I know my daughter may be a little upset because whatever I didn't use, I used to give it to her, but I'll save it for her. Oh, this looks expensive. All right, so these are real masks, not sheet masks. Excuse me. So these are the masks, I guess, in here, and it comes with its own little brush. Isn't that pretty? That is nice. Comes with its own little brush that you can put on your mask. This is really nice. So they come in like little pods. Like this one is called Purifying Mud Mask. That's a purifying mud mask. And then they also have, so they have 4 of those, and then 4 of the Ready Glow Exfoliating Masks. Ooh. Ooh, gotta try this out. And this retails for, let me see how much this is. Okay, this is the page with all the prices. Okay, so I'm not quite sure if you pronounce this we or Y. I'm not sure. It's WEI. The cat is going to town on the paper, of course. And this retails for, it says, use the brown sugar mask for a radiant complexion or the golden mask to deeply. Well, I'm not sure that I just received the glow and the purifying mud mask. Well, anyway, this retails for $45. Okay. 45 bucks. All right, let's get into the next product. This is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Ooh, I like the way that sounds. A multitasking beauty sleep savor for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is 24-hour skin suit. This works 24-hour skin solution used nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin. So I guess this is like a probably like a body lotion or something like that. So this retails for, let's see, Deep Sleep. Wait, is this a mask? Hold up. All right, well, of course it's sealed. Oh, this smells it's spa-like. Very spa-like. I'm not quite sure. I think this is, oh, it's very minty and it smells like eucalyptus. It smells really nice. So this is an anti-aging, super blend of shea butter, creme, and some oils to nourish, support, and preserve your skin's vitality. So where is this? Gravity, I cannot find this, people. Oh, here it is. This retails for $39.99. $40. I'm going to have fun with these products, and let me tell you. Okay, so let's go on to the next item. And this is from I am going to butcher. Eau Thermale Avene. Listen, if you know how to pronounce these, let your girl know, because this is a thermal spring water. Oh, so this is like a soothing, excuse me, an anti-irritating. So this is like, you can use this, I think, like a setting spray. Oh my goodness, this is great. And this retails for, I can't even find this. They need to make this a little easier. I can't find this. I have no idea what this retails for. Are you kidding me? Let me flip the page and see. Oh, it's on the next page. Hello. Okay, so this is Avene, right? Or Avene. Okay, so Avene Thermal Spring Water. It says, spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. So this is really nice for the summertime as well. And this retails for $14. Okay. Okay, so the next item is AG Hair Care. This is fast food. So this is a leave-in conditioner. And it's for moisture. Let's see what this smells like. Yeah, everything is sealed. All right. Let's see. It smells nice. It's very sweet. It smells like baby lotion and something sweet. Okay, so this is fast food for hair care. Can you guys see that? Let me see if I find it here. And this is from who? AG Hair Care. Let's see if I find it on this page. Okay, this retails for $24. Okay, so it says, dealing with frizzy or dry hair, use the leave-in conditioner to moisturize and help soothe split ends. These always come in handy. If I don't use those, my daughters will, and that is great for the summertime too. Okay, this is looks like a makeup product, and this is from Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. Yes, you guys see that? From Wander. I've never heard of Wander before. Never. So, oh, excuse me. This looks really, can you guys see that? Really luxurious. This is a luxurious mascara. That's what this looks like. Let me see what the wand looks like. Okay, it's not curved or anything. It's just I'm sorry, you guys know already I have to always smell makeup. It's just, all right, so this is in black. Going to definitely be using that. And let's see what Wander retails for. Wander retails for $26. And Wander says that just one coat will give you lashes the volume and length that you desire, thanks to the precise bristles. $26. Okay. Now, oh, what is this? This looks like a, what? We have to open this. What is this? From Stone Cold? It looks like, some kind of, looks like a kitchen. Something for the kitchen? I don't know. Like kitchen towels or something like that? I don't know. I'm probably wrong, but what is this? It's tied up very nicely, and it's in the color blue and white. Oh, let me see if they're kitchen towels. I'm not quite sure. Let's see if I find this. Not finding this. Let's see. I don't know. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so these are Stone Cold Fox tea towels. What? All right, so these chic towels feature a white and blue striped design. Okay, these are really pretty. Don't know if I'll be using these because they don't really go with my decor, but I'll save them for my daughter's new place or my other daughter. Okay, they're very chic. What is this made out of? Cotton? Let me see. What fabric is this made out of? Doesn't have a sticker. Nope, I don't see anything. But they feel like they're cotton. Very nice. Very nice. I am assuming that you can probably use these for your face as well. Like, you know, just to wipe off makeup. I don't know. But they feel like you can. Very nice. Okay. The next product is, ooh, let's see. It's from Donny. Let's see if I find this. From Donny. Oh, Donny's ribbed sweater coat. Oh, all right. I need my scissors. All right. This is a really nice color, and it is a one size fits all. It looks like this. All right. Let's see. Very nice. The oh, okay, it's like a little sweater with like 3/4 sleeves, and it has pockets. Oh, you guys can tell. And it has pockets. This is really nice to just throw over a t-shirt and, you know, go about your business with some jeans and some nice little sneakers or something. Tennis shoes. Really nice. Really nice. And it's thick. What material is this? This is, oh, it doesn't say. Does not say. And I can't. Not about to read this tag because, you know, girl don't have her glasses. Okay, so Donny's ribbed sweater retails for, oh my goodness. Are you kidding me? $100. I don't, who comes up with these prices? And where do they sell these? $100. Okay, well, you know that I will be trying that on, and I will be keeping that most definitely. So it's a transitor into spring with this relaxed cardigan that complements all shapes and sizes. Yep, and it's really nice. It's like it has this, I don't know if you guys can see, like this ribbed feature here. It's really nice. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay. On to the, I believe this is the last item. Holy cow. This is packing cubes, small, medium, large, 3-piece set. What? Well, first of all, this looks really funky. It looks really nice because it's like, what is that? Ombre? Like this ombre effect. So it's definitely a bag. Well, let me see if I find this before I open this up. I think this is for traveling, if I'm not mistaken. This is Calpac set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet. That's the color. Or Tutti Frutti. I guess whichever one you prefer. So packing just got a little easier thanks to these handy package cubes, and these retail for $40. All right, I have to open this because you know your girl likes to travel, and I need to check these out like now. Okay, so it has like mesh. Are there 3 in here? It has a pocket in the back. Oh, look, it has a little carrying strap. All right, well, let's open these up. Nice zippers. Really nice zippers. They're like, hard plastic that you can actually wipe. And there are 2 more packing cubes in here. Well, this is really nice to put like in your luggage or something like that. So there are 3 sizes. Oh, isn't that something? That is pretty cool. So this is the small, and they all have their little handles. Small, medium, right? And I guess if you want to put your name or something, if you're traveling, this is a large one. You can do that as well. This is really nice. You can even put this in on top of, once you've packed your, your suitcase, you put some items in here, like even your, underclothes and stuff like that, and just lay it on top. This is really nice, and you can use a small one for makeup. That is really nice, and that is the end of my Fab Fit Fun, people. I had so much fun. These items are awesome. I'm really happy with this box. Really happy. So I'll see you guys really soon. Because I'm really lonely now. So I see you guys in the next one. Take care. Take good care.